we've been cooler than normal the last couple of days, and that's thanks in part to the cloud cover that just seems to not want to leave us alone. Last night we were at 52, and we bottomed out this morning about 43 degrees. That's about where we should be for this time of year, and we started a rebound, but we really kind of stayed steady thanks to that deck of clouds out there, and even some patchy morning fog that we saw this morning, and that's thanks to our temperature and dew point being right smack against each other. Both were at 48, making our humidity 100%, so there is some patchy fog out there on the roadways. Make sure you give yourself a little bit extra time as you head out and about during the morning hours, and all of us across the area really are sitting about the 50-degree mark, a degree or two on either side. It's 50 up in Memphis, again 48 here in the Golden Triangle, 49 in Huntsville. New Orleans, though, they're sitting at 73 degrees. That's because they are still south of the cold front that pushed through over the weekend. Hasn't quite made it to New Orleans yet, so they're enjoying the nice weather, but we are staying stuck with the cloud cover, unfortunately. We did see some breaks early in the morning, which allowed a few of us to warm up a little bit faster, but all of us now are inundated with cloud cover, as has been the case the last several days. We even started to get a few spits of rain popping up across Arkansas, north of the I-40 corridor, and this is our next weather system that we're keeping our eye on. You can see again the leading edge of this rain now pushing into Arkansas, north of Fort Smith, and north of Little Rock, continuing to move across the state. This is associated all with the cold front, and our next system that will work through overnight tonight. We're keeping our eye on this system because we do have the potential to see a couple strong to severe thunderstorms out of this system. The main threat would be hail and maybe some damaging winds, but that's what we're keeping our eye on, and those will be few and far between. As Futurecast paints for us that during the overnight hours and by about 6 a.m., the bulk of the precipitation will be right over us, basically down the Highway 45 corridor, also along Interstate 20 and the Highway 82 corridors where the bulk of the precipitation will be. But this system will quickly get out of here, and so by the time we hit the end of tomorrow, we should start seeing a few breaks in the clouds, and that will last, in fact, all the way to Thursday, and that's going to allow our temperatures to finally begin warming back up. We're going to be about 58 tomorrow, but look, by Sunday, all the way up to 80 degrees. That's above normal, so going from below normal to above normal as we head through the rest of this week. Just got to get through the next couple of days first. Clouds stay with us today, unfortunately. If you see a peak of sunshine, consider yourself lucky. 60 degrees today. Again, we're about 13 degrees below where we should be. Tonight we stay a little bit warm, 51 degrees. Rain and storms developing overnight. Again, they'll be with us through tomorrow morning, but as we head through the afternoon tomorrow, those clouds will begin to decrease, and we should hopefully see a few peaks of sun. Only 58 degrees tomorrow, so another cool one. You might want to take a jacket with you as you head out and about, but then the warming trend finally begins. Thursday up to 62 and possibly a scattered shower, especially late in the day, but that's our last shot of rain. Friday up to 67, then the warm-up kicks in the high gear over the weekend. 74 and plentiful sunshine on Saturday, 80 on Sunday, and looks like that warming trend will hold also into the beginning part of next week. So once we get through really today, tomorrow, and the late day Thursday, it's looking pretty good for the weekend. Thanks for logging on to Campus Connect Forecast. Have a great day.